Hello, my name is Rich Wall. I am the Executive General Manager of Sottoriva America, which is the North American branch of Sottoriva SBA in Murano Vicentino, Italy. We are bakery equipment manufacturers specializing in bread and roll equipment and have done so for the last 81 years worldwide. We look forward to having bakers come to our booth in Las Vegas. We invite you to come visit our stand to see live demonstrations on our machinery for making rolls and bread products. Sottoriva will have expert technicians on hand to demonstrate the machines and explain the operations and what you can do best with our equipment to make for your customers. So with a great deal of experience that we have in manufacturing machinery, demonstrating machinery, and installing machinery, you'll find that Sottoriva has a wealth of knowledge that can actually work very positively in the future generation of your bakery business. We welcome you to come join us in booth 713 in the West Hall of the Las Vegas Convention Center. Take the opportunity to visit with us, talk to us about your requirements so we can best find the solution that'll work best for you and your bakery. You'll be glad you joined us.